Is your Tata Safari's infotainment system freezing, lagging, or displaying errors? A reset can often solve the problem. Start with a soft reboot for minor glitches. If soft reboot doesn't work, try a factory reset. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. Remember to back up your data first, as this will erase personal information. Confirm and wait 5 to 10 minutes. For newer models, this can be done remotely via the Tata app. What if your screen is completely black or unresponsive? First, check the fuses under the hood near the battery. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is on. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes. As of 2024, the Tata Connect app can diagnose some issues via your smartphone. For persistent or hardware-related problems like a defective touchscreen, avoid DIY repairs and contact a certified Tata service center to avoid voiding your warranty. Since mid-2024, Tata offers over-the-air updates, so ensure your system has the latest firmware, as this is often the root of many issues. If problems persist, contact authorized service centers.